how to auto-insert stock footage as B-roll without spending hours looking for the right clips. In Visla Video with Voice projects, we have a recommend supplemental footage feature where our AI will automatically insert stock footage as B-roll into your video. All you need to do is click the button and let the AI do the rest. So you can see some clips have been added into my scenes. I can watch it by just playing here. Feel free to move it around, make it bigger, or either if you don't feel like this is the right clip, you can click on the footage recommendations icon to see other recommended clips for this scene. Let's say I want this one. If you want a different part of the clip, you can select adjust footage to select a different part of that clip to show. If you don't like the placement of the clip, you can always move it around to where you want it to be. And if you want it to be longer or shorter, you can use this orange toggle here to decide how long you want the clip to go on for. You can even go to the media library here to add additional clips. Let's say I want to add a clip around the layouts. I have a little section up here about that. I like this clip and I want to put it here. I just drag and drop and it'll show up there. Select the section of the clip I want, adjust as needed. Yeah, and that's it. This is really the fastest way to create engaging videos for your viewers. Try it out and let me know what you think.